Hello everyone. In this lecture today I'm going to talk to you about the differences between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Okay, so spermatogenesis, it is the process of production of sperms, okay, as the name suggests, sperms from spermatogonia. It occurs in males, okay. Sperms are produced by males, whereas the oogenesis, it refers to the process of production of ovum, okay, O for ovum, from oogonia, okay, from oogonia. This is the production of sperms, spermatogenesis, whereas the production of ovum is oogenesis. The next difference is that all stages of spermatogenesis are completed in the testis of males, whereas the major parts of oogenesis occurs inside the ovary, but the last few stages occur in the oviduct. Okay, so the next difference is that the production of sperms is in millions every day, whereas only one ovum, okay, only one ovum is released once a month. Sperms are motile, so they can move, whereas the ova, they are non-motile, so in nature. Sperm production takes place every day, so spermatogenesis, it takes place every day, whereas oogenesis takes place once per month. The division is equal and helps in the formation of 4 haploid spermatids in the process of spermatogenesis. In the process of spermatogenesis, the division is equal and helps in the formation of 4 haploid spermatids, whereas in the process of oogenesis, the division of the cell is unequal and helps in the formation of 1 haploid ovum and 2 polar bodies. Spermatogenesis, it is a continuous process occurring after puberty till death. Okay, this process occurs after puberty until the death of the male, whereas oogenesis process, it starts, the early stages are actually they occur after the fetal period, and the rest of the process occurs after puberty until the menopause. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful in understanding the difference between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.